How to compress PDF file size online. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you the best way to compress PDF file. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here just come to the any browser and come to the Google, and here you can search for compressed PDF. So you can see there is a lot of source come up. So I'm personally using this one, so I just open it. So here you can see we have option to compress PDF. Okay, here they reduce the size of your PDF, right? So now we need to go and upload PDF file. Now just select the PDF file which you want to compress, just open it. So it will be open in okay, so it is already selected. Now we need to go in compress file, just click on it. So it will be processed and your file will be compressed. Here you can see in my case I got 8% less compress. After you done, just go to the download, then your compressed file will be download. You can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.